Hi, today we've got some amazing updates from the Open Network, so let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the DOGS token distribution, which has been a game changer. Over 17 million users claim their DOGS tokens, leading to a surge in TON's daily active users. In total, 53 million people interacted with the DOGS mini app, and more than 42 million people were eligible to receive the tokens. In just 2 weeks, Ton hit over 1.1 million active addresses on multiple days and saw up to 14.4 million transactions in a single day. DOGS is now held by 4.5 million unique wallets on the Ton blockchain, making it the most widely held token on any chain in such a short period. Only USDT on Tron and Ethereum have more holders. What's more, the DOGS project is actually a fun meme coin inspired by a doodle from Pavel Durov. It recorded the largest meme token generation event in crypto history, and we're just getting started. This September, even bigger TGEs are expected, with projects like Catizen and Hamster Combat. These projects could attract tens or even hundreds of millions of new users, further expanding the Ton ecosystem. Of course, with this rapid growth, there might be some technical challenges, but the Ton team is fully committed to solving them and continuing to drive mass adoption. Next, here's something cool. TADA, one of Southeast Asia's leading ride-hailing platforms, has partnered with the Ton Foundation to bring Web3 technology directly into real life. They've launched a new Telegram mini app called TADA Mini, which allows users to book rides straight within Telegram. No extra signups or downloads needed. You can even pay using Toncoin via Tonkeeper. And for those attending Token 2049 this September, TADA and Ton are offering free rides to the first 4,000 users who book through TADA Mini in Singapore. After that, you can enjoy a 50% discount on your rides when paying with Toncoin. Plus, TADA has a network of 300,000 drivers, so you'll be matched with a ride quickly. And if you cancel, don't worry. Your refund will be processed instantly. And here's more exciting news. Toncoin is now available on Revolut, the global fintech platform with over 45 million users. UK and EU residents can already trade Toncoin on Revolut. And soon, users from Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, Singapore, and beyond will also be able to join in. Finding and trading Toncoin is easy. Just head to the Crypto tab in the Revolut app and start exploring. That's all for today's update. Whether it's groundbreaking token distributions, real-world Web3 integrations, or exciting new trading opportunities, Ton continues to break barriers and grow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest from the Open Network. Until next time.